Okay, so we're back here. Now, I actually recorded all of my previous up until this point. Unfortunately, for some reason, the software told me that there was no more data and it deleted it all. So basically where we're at is the underside is pretty much out for the transmission. Now, last week we went ahead and we diagnosed it. There was some speckles in our fluid, so that means that we needed to pull the transmission. So I went ahead and this week I'm pulling the transmission. You really didn't miss anything exciting. The camera kind of stayed right where it is, but I went ahead and, you know, everything's ready underneath. I pulled both axles. I got everything ready. All that needs to happen at this point is I need to drop the subframe and I need to remove the top side of my bolts that hold the transmission in. And then I need to undo my motor mount or my transmission mount. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to undo the passenger or motor mount yet or not, but that's kind of where it's at. Like I said, it wasn't really anything too exciting, you know, it's just pulling axles and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna get back into this, continue going, and then hopefully we can tear apart the transmission as well. So let's get into it. Okay, so the transmission's out. I'm doing this work on the floor because I don't want to clear off my table. But we're gonna go ahead and take it apart to see what's going on. Okay, so that's gonna go ahead. That's gonna wrap it up. From the looks of it, it looks like I have some damage on my main shaft. I need to be able to take it apart a little bit further, but I'm out of time as per usual. So that means that I'm gonna have to this next week. So, but hopefully we got most of it. I mean, you've seen it when you take out the subframe. There's some of the stuff obviously you missed, like pulling the axles and so on and so forth. I actually have those detailed out in other videos if you actually want to kind of see that stuff. Unfortunately, the recording device kind of screwed us on that one, so it didn't happen. But you kind of got to see where the transmission came apart, got to kind of see what's going on there. Hopefully this next week I'll kind of dig into it a little bit further, see if I can find more damage or see if I can see specifically what's causing our problem. But for the most part, everything looks like it's okay. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to drop it right there. So see you again on the next video.